Now we have the new normal. This year's Halloween 2020. You're definitely going to be wanting to wear a mask. So why not make one yourself? You're going to need to fashion yourself a mask holder so that you can put the mask in place while you decorate it. We've come up with the takeaway container and peg system to keep the mask in place. See how we're stuffing the mask with tissues to keep its form and then securing it at the back of the takeaway container with a peg. This mask is going to be a green monster mask, so you'll be needing some Derivan face and body fluoro green. Now we want to create the background of the green monster, but we're going to leave an area clear so we can put some monster teeth in. So paint that mask up with the green. Once you've finished putting in the green monster background, it's time to put in the monster's teeth using the Derivan face and body marker. Put that centre line in to give the teeth symmetry. Block in those top teeth and those big monster bottom teeth. The teeth are done. Now it's time to put the rest of the face in. So you're putting in the lines to create the cheekbones and you're putting in the monster's nose. Now you want to swap your black marker for a green marker and put a bit of shading into the monster's face. This monster mask is now looking incredibly scary. I reckon it's time to go trick or treating.